You are going to love the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, keyless start, compass, Sirius XM radio, power windows, electronic stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.